Gonna do a quick unboxing of this Fit power adapter. Now my use case is I have a Panasonic G85 camera set up at home on my desk as a YouTube platform. So this camera does not get moved. I just use it to shoot some YouTube videos. And so changing batteries becomes quite a hassle in the camera all the time. You have to lift it up, open the door, swap the battery, charge it. You have to have two batteries and so on. It's just not convenient. That's why I decided to order this power adapter for my camera. Now what this is a little device that functions just like a camera battery. Here's an original Panasonic battery. And here's a device that's going to replace that. See, it's made in China. It's a DC coupler. It's actually very, very light. I was surprised when I just took this out of the box of how light it is. So it's got this lead that pokes out through an access port in the bottom of your battery door on the camera. And then goes to the power supply. So connects to this lead here. And then this power supply obviously goes to your outlet. So you never need to change batteries. You can just continuously power your camera. Okay, let me insert this in my camera. Okay, here's my camera. The camera door is on the bottom. Pop that open. We'll take the existing battery out. And as you can see, it's got this rubber grommet here that you could simply pop out. And it remains attached to the door in my case. But this will allow that lead to come out of the camera and to be able to connect to the power supply. So we'll take the lead, poke it out through this hole, and then we will slide the power adapter inside. Let it click in, close our battery, and now all we need to do is connect it to the power supply. All right. I have the camera now hooked up through the outlet into the battery port, into this power adapter. Let's turn it on. All right, it's working. This is gonna be much, much better than swapping batteries all the time for me. Another great use case for this device would be if you have a studio setup where the camera is not moved, it's just mounted there on a tripod. You're taking pictures directly into your Mac or PC, into your photo software. And instead of just swapping batteries, you get this device powered off the outlet and it's gonna work great. So definitely happy that it's working as designed. It fit my camera as described, and we'll see about the longevity of the item. But for now, definitely a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.